Reminisce on dangerous summers, was just a thug nigga working for drug dealers in neighborhood. Run about the age of 13, we was gunning, and it was fun to see the police running. Niggas disappear when we come and live. Nappy head shorty, addicted to drinking 40. My niggas is naughty, and y'all niggas is fucking corny. But you left me in the summer of '89, a very good year. Crack cocaine sales rose.
Hey, it's Beamer-Fonz. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to replace your wood grain, or sorry, your interior trim. So as most of you guys know, you have this silver trim, which is okay, it looks fine, but a lot of us, like me, prefer wood grain. Nice mix of wood grain and carbon fiber, never hurt nobody. That's fake, but you get the idea. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to swap this all out. This section right here is the hardest bit. I don't even really know how to swap that part out, so you guys are going to learn that with me. But as for the rest, it pretty much just pops out. So without further ado, let's just get started. So you're going to get a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to stick it in the little crack here and pry it, and that's going to pop up. And when that pops up, you are going to, oh, of course I went to the only side that I put it on this car. So when that pops up, it will look something like come on, you. Okay, it'll look something just like that. The front will be popped out like that. And then you just kind of want to grab it from beneath, and just run your hand along it like this and pull, and you'll just feel it popping. Sometimes you will get a screw that sticks in the door, or a screw that falls out, or one of these that comes with it. Just keep note of that, because you will need these, because these are what hold it in place. Now, if you have a parts car like me, then you don't need to worry too much because you got tons of extra stuff. But if you don't have a parts car, you want to be careful. So once you get that piece off, then to put it back on, you just kind of go like this. You got to line up this piece because there's a hook there. So that hooks in over here. Am I doing this? Oh yeah, I am. I'm doing it backwards. So that hooks in over here, and that's why you do the other side first. So once that's hooked in, I'm going to try and do this with one hand. Hold it with my knee. Of course, the door is going to open. Yeah, of course. It's hard to do this with one hand. Whatever. You guys get the idea. Okay. That one's partially on for now. So that's how you do that. Oh, need my screwdriver. The next part is going to be, so all the doors are all the same. You do the same thing for every single door. For this piece, you come inside your car, and you're going to grab your shifter. Almost punched myself in the head. Oh God, that was hard. And then you're going to want to pull this up. So I'm just going to take a screwdriver and pry it because I don't really care that much right now. Then you got a cord here to unplug and a cord there to unplug. So I'm going to go do that, pop this guy out, and then I'll show you how to get this out. Okay, so once you've got that out, unplug it from here, unplug it from here. You don't really have, you can be a little bit rough, it's okay. It's not just going to break on you. Then, excuse me, you want to try and pry this up here. Pry it up here and just pull on all these spots, but be somewhat gentle and pull your ashtray out. Especially if you have a clean ashtray and the one you're putting in is dirty. So yeah, you're gonna wanna See, you hear that click? Ouch, my fingernail got stuck. Ouch. But yeah, I'll show you guys in a second once I get it all pulled up. This is the hard part. It takes some force. And of course, when I go pulling it, it goes flying up and everything goes flying everywhere. But yeah, so once you've got that pulled up, it's going to come up like this, and you just have one plug for the lighter outlet right there to unplug. So you just kind of pull it, wiggle it, and then you grab these two right here, unplug it. And that is your centerpiece removed. Simple as that. And then the last bit you have to do after is your dash. So I'm going to go pop this guy in and continue from there. Alright, so once you've got this pretty much in place down here and over the clips, you're going to push it as far forward this way as you can, and then you're going to basically hold your left hand up here, take your right hand and bang this down. That will seat, and then go around here and make sure all the rest of them are pushed in. Then you just take this, clip this back on, take your shifter, boom, and there you go. That is the doors and the center console. Next is the dash. Okay, so I was correct. These literally just pop out. They got one thing there, one thing there, and when you put them back in, you just line them up, and then you want to give it one good smack on each side, or maybe two or three. But yeah, that's how you do that. And then the center one is same thing, just a bit more difficult. Okay, and the centerpiece comes out the exact same way. Start from here, get your screwdriver and pop it, move your fingers along. Then you're gonna have to pop this centerpiece out because there's wires on it, and then you're gonna have to unplug the start stop button, which is real simple. You just pinch the sides and pull it out, and then you're in business. Just go and pop it back in and you're done. Okay, and this is what we are looking like after the full interior swap. Still needs a good clean, but I quite enjoy that much more than the silver. Ooh. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I quite enjoy that. Black and wood is perfect. Beige and wood, not so much. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video though. Beamer-Fonz out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.